Hello, everyone. I am Deraspeaks, and I speak no enticing words of man's wisdom. I am using this medium to invite you specially to the Night of Mercy 2024. It is hosted by my brother and friend, Minister Precious Chidi. It's also going to be his Son of Mercy album review on the 4th of October, 5 p.m. I and all the amazing and anointed ministers will be live. Oh, yes, I am coming all the way from Nigeria. So we are set, we are ready to be a blessing, and I can't wait to see you. So I'll be there. Mark your calendars. Hope to see you. God bless you.